Let's see. Ah, there's the spray bottle. Hi, Madam Eileen here. I've shown you how to use stencils. I've shown you how to do glitters. I've shown you how to put glitters on your paint. Now I'm going to show you how glitters and stencils work hand in hand. I have a special stencil here. Look familiar? Excited kids? I got this sticker of a very popular video game. I'm going to get a finger dauber and I'm going to put paint on it. Because this is a boy design, I'm going to use black. Spray my finger dauber. Run it across the black paint. And now we're going to apply the stencil. So we're going to go down to the workstation. We're going to go down. We're going to flip around. All right, here we are. We are going to put, it's almost too big for his cheek. It goes across the nose. So we're going to put this on his forehead. We're going to stipple the black. It's okay if you have overbleed on this part because we are going to be adding glitter. After you lay down your paint on the stencil, do not lift it up. Keep it in place. Take your glitter and lay some glitter down. I'm going to put some black there. I'm going to put some red on the side. I'm going to put some gold in the middle. When I lift it up, it now says Fortnite and it's all glittered. And I take my stencil and I tap it off onto the ground, or I can tap it onto a paper towel to fold up. But you see, the glitter has stuck to the paint. Only a little bit shakes off. Glitter will stick to paint or anything that's wet. So there we go. We have a very glittery stencil. So that's how you would combine stencils with glitter.